Hi there mga beloved ko. So mates, welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang cellphone, meaningful at rating. Dito lang ang post nyo lagi nabangan at sinusubayan na Renzo Tara Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat natin so sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ay ng pagkasamahan, isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Libra. Okay, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po at naka-resonate, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-subscribe kapag di pa po kayo nag-subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating po TikTok account ay paki-follow na rin po, mag-comment rin po kayo. And if you want to avail of private reading, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-send po sa akin ng direct message. Important notice po, hindi po ako yung una mag-chat sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Scammer po yan. May mga nanggagaya po ng aking account. And of course, ang dami manloko ngayon. So kayo lang po yung una mag-chat sa akin to avail of private reading. Alright? So sige, wag na natin papatagalin pa ito. Libra, kunin na natin ang isang baraha para sa yung general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Libra. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Sige. Kamusta po yung lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors. Sige. Alright, Libra, your 10 cards are now ready. Wag na natin pang patagalin ito. For your general reading, let's begin, Libra. Your first card is the Two of Pentacles. This is a very interesting opening card because I can feel an energy here of unexpected blessing. Siguro may isang bagay kang pinagpopokusan lately, Libra, mayroong isang bagay kang gustong makamit. But this is like a blessing in disguise kasi kung alin pa yung hindi mo, yung ini-ignore mo, kung alin pa yung parang dinededma mo lately, siya pa pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mas magandang, blessing or like a positive result here. Okay, with the Two of Pentacles here, it also requires you to balance everything kasi parang hindi okay ang lahat in terms of, your time, your energy, everything is like, you kailangan mong balansin dito. But I can see an unexpected blessing. There's a surprise blessing for you that is coming on your way, an opportunity that at least malaki may tutulong ito sa iyo, Libra. Right? Sige. Eight of Cups, I can see the energy here of being unstoppable. I know, marami ka na napatunayan, marami ka nang naipundar, may mga recognitions and awards that you have already gained, but I can see a kind of Libra na parang matayog pa ang pangarap. Malayo pa ang gustong marating. That's why you continue on searching for more. You're thinking and searching for a lot of things na gusto mong gawin para sa mas ikaka-grow pa ng buhay mo, more development. I can see here it's like, suntok man sa buwan, pero yung nakikita ko dito yung mga goals, mga planong sa buhay, talagang mataas matayo. Although you don't know where to start, hindi mo alam kung paano to sisimulan o kung saan ka magsisimula, but at least the thing that you are dreaming so much high o kung bang mataas ang pangarap mo, that's already a plus point for you, Libra, because nothing is impossible in this world. But at least I can see here that now you are preparing everything, hinahanda mo yung sarili mo because I know that you're already now so ready to embark, to start this journey na gustong-gusto mong simulan. You're being unstoppable here. Alright? So, King of Wands. So, Libra, big transformation is coming on your way. Okay? You don't need to, kumbaga, wag mong kukontrahin ito, wag mong sasalungutin ito. May mga habits, may mga beliefs, and mga bagay na parang ginagawa mo lately na ngayon ay hindi mo na, parang napapansin mo, hindi mo na ginagawa. There are some things also na hindi mo ginagawa before na ngayon ay parang nangyayari na sa'yo. Okay? Kahit ikaw na-surprise ka or nagugulat ka bakit ganito. For example, kung dating panahon for the past weeks and months before, parang sensitive ka, maikli ang pasensya mo, but no, yung napapansin mo parang medyo lumalawak or humahaba yung tolerance mo, or your patience sa mga sitwasyon, sa bagay na parang kahit paano hindi nangyayari sa'yo or it's not working on your way, but still positive ka pa rin. That's the transformation that is happening for you, Libra. It seems that everything ay gumagaan para sa'yo, yung mindset mo, although pakiramdam mo, although wala pa naman totally dumadating, but seems that you are so hopeful, puno ng pag-asa, yung buhay mo na parang something good is about to come. Ito yung nakikita natin dito Libra, okay? So, a big transformation, tuloy-tuloy na ito, hindi mo to pwedeng salungatin. Just embrace it, okay? Sabayan mo lang ito. This is the part of the plan of the universe for you. The process, the total overhaul, pagbabago ng personality para sa ikabubuti mo, Libra. Pang-apat is the Two of Cups. Right. Two of Cups here, I can see a partnership, a sense of collaboration dito. Libra, if you're thinking of something na gusto mo makipag-partner or parang, no, you have a talent, you have a craft, pero feeling mo mas may ikakaangat pa ito, may ikaka-develop pa ito kapag nakipag-collaborate ka or nakipag-partner ka sa ibang tao na in-line din sa ganitong, kumbaga, skill. So why don't you go out of your comfort zone and try to partner with other people. Kasi although kahit alam natin Libra that you're very smart, you're very skillful, you have everything, but still mas malaki pa rin ang may tutulong kapag nakipag-collaborate tayo. Mas malaki pa rin mas maganda pa rin kapag may tulong ng expertise ng ibang tao. Alright? So, Libra, partnership, collaboration, network is needed, very needed as of now kasi malaki ang potential na nakikita natin dito sa Libra, but hindi lang to nakakaarangkada, hindi lang nag-accelerate because you're just keeping it on yourself. Why don't you, kumbaga, ilabas ito, hayaan itong makilala pa ng ibang tao. Okay, partnership is the key. Huwag kang matakot, so be confident. Ten of Cups is yours. There's an upcoming celebration for you, Libra. This is a big milestone that maybe you've been waiting for a long time. Libra, kumbaga, hinog na to, overdue na to, matagal na talaga ito. Kumbaga, this is just a matter of perfect timing for you, Libra. Handa mo ang sarili mo. Kumbaga, hindi lang to celebration na ikaw lang yung magsa-celebrate. It's like the whole family, the whole friendship, the whole community that you belong. Okay, this is a kind of milestone or achievement that, kumbaga, you truly deserve this thing na parating. Hindi to basta dinaan lang sa swerte. Pinaghirapan mo ito. You really work hard for it. Ang dami mong sinakripisyo dito, ang daming mga betrayals na nangyari, ang daming taong tumalikod sa'yo, but still you fought for it. Nilaban mo ito. That's why this upcoming big blessing, extraordinary blessings that is truly due for you ay talagang worthy of celebration for you, Libra. Okay? Congratulations in advance. Sige. Before we proceed, ulitin ko sa ating last 5 cards. Please, kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and share. And sa TikTok account po natin, pag di po kayo nakafollow, Renzo Taro 444, please mag-ingat po kayo sa mga scammers, sa mga nanggagaya ng account. Hindi po ako yung una mag-reach out sa inyo, mag-chat sa inyo for private reading. Kayo po mag-chat sa akin, pag-usapan po natin. Alright? So, sige. Pang-anim Libra sa yung general reading, pang-anim mong card is the 8 of Wands. Sudden. This will be very fast. Mabilis itong blessing nito. Mabilis itong good news na parating sa'yo. So, wag kang tutulog-tulog, Libra. If there's an opportunity that is suddenly na biglang buhos or parang biglang opportunity na parating sa'yo, you need discernment kung you're going to grab it, but still this is an opportunity, this is a blessing, this is a good news for you. Alright, so maaring malaki rin ang may tulong nito sa'yo. Hindi mo man totally tanggapin or consider, but at least you can see the sign that slowly your life is now improving. Unlike before na parang matumal talaga or walang nangyayaring growth. But now, Libra, with this 8 of Wands, this is an indication na sunod-sunod na ang mga blessings and good news na parating sa'yo. 7, here is the Ace of Cups. Look, ang katapat niya. 8 of Cups. So, connected talagang barahan natin. You are looking for more. You're searching for a lot of ways on how to improve yourself. More blessings, more learnings. Gusto mo pang mag-aral, gusto mo pang mag-masters, a kind of improving your talent, improving your skills. And with the Ace of Cups here, this is an indication that something new, brand new, a refresher, something like that na parang sisimula ka muli. This is new beginning, new partnership, new love life, new job, something na parang lilipat ka or tatanggapin mo but because sawa ka na. So, paulit-ulit na lang na cycle ng buhay mo. You're not happy with your current situation, the Ace of Cups is an indication that something new, new journey, new chapter of your life is going to unfold. Alright? So, this is a very good card for you, Libra. I-claim mo na ito. Pang-walo, wow! 10 of Pentacles. So, abundance, prosperity, improvement, growth about your finances. Kung lately medyo matumal, medyo mabagal ang paglago, kinakapos, kapirahan, but with the 10 of Pentacles here, so kasama sa transformation na sinasabi ko sa'yo is like the transformation in your mindset in terms of handling your finances. Maaaring magiging wise ka na ngayon, Libra, sa pagkahawak na yung pera, magiging matalino ka na, hindi ka na basta-basta yung kind of person na magiging impulsive sa mga decision mo regarding with your finances. But this card of Ten of Pentacles is like an assurance for you that there will be a big improvement, big growth in terms of money. So you don't need to worry, just focus on your goals, work hard, put your faith in the universe, and everything will fall into place for you. But I can see money is coming into town for you, Libra. Pera-pera to. Pang siya mong baraha. Tower. Ending, closure, collapse of a certain situation, institution na maaring nagpapabigat sa'yo, nagpapahirap sa'yo lately, Libra. Kung lately, parang sabi ko nga, stagnant, mabagal, puro problema, puro worries, anxiety, and disappointments. Ano pa, mga pangamba kong mga agam-agam sa buhay mo. With the Tower card here, believe me, it's all about to collapse or to end. For you to start all over again sa isang bagong journey na iyong i-embark or kung baka papasukin. Lahat ng yon, mga worries, pangamba, takot, frustrations, all of those negative and toxic situation, even toxic relationship, friendship, family, members na mapang-abuso, manipulation, that is all about to end for you, Libra. Claim mo na ito. So, Tower, walang matatapos kung walang kapalit na maganda, di ba? So, Libra, this is a very beautiful transformation for you and you truly deserve this. Sabi ko lang kang sinasabi, deserve ng mga Libra itong mga mangyayaring pagbabago at growth sa buhay nila. 10th and last card mo, Libra. So, sa yung general reading, tapusin natin ito with your 10th and last card, which is the 10 of Swords. Okay? So, tingnan mo kung gaano ka-connected na ba. 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups. So, hindi madali ang lahat. I know there's a big celebration, di ba, na parating. So, this is an extraordinary milestone that sabi ko nga, you've been waiting for a long time for this. Hindi, pinapakita lang itong 10 of Swords na ito na talagang hindi naging madali ang pinagdaanan mo dito bago mo makamit itong blessing na ito. A lot of disappointment, trinidor ka, you're hopeless. Ang dami mong nilapitan na halos walang tumulong sa'yo. Bumangon ka, tinulungan mo ang sarili mo. And ngayon, wherever you are, I'm so proud of you, Libra. Hindi naging madali itong pinagdaanan mo. I respect your agony. Talaga nakita ko dito, talagang down na down ka. Hindi lang to basta-basta parang, malungkot lang. But a kind of Libra na talagang inapaktapakan, trinidor, tinalikuran. But now, believe me, with the 10, if this is a 10 of Swords, after all the disappointments, after all the mga pagtatraidor, kahirapan, problema, anxiety, itong kapalit nito. 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, celebration, good news. Hindi mangyayari to, although painful man, masakit man itong lahat na nangyari sa iyo. Pero sabi ko nga, hindi mangyayari ang mga bagay na ito kung walang kapalit na mas maganda. With the 10 of Cups here, you are bound to celebrate. You are bound to receive an extraordinary blessing. Sabi ko nga, na talagang worth it or talagang deserve mo, Libra, because you truly fought for it, nilaban mo ito, pinaghirapan mo ito, dugot pawis ang nilaan mo dito, and now you're going to reap, you're going to harvest all the efforts and hard work na nilagay mo dito. This is a very beautiful reading, Libra. I hope and I pray na marami nasasay na Libra makapalit ngayon. And I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, mga Libra, kung sa umin sa inyong muling pagsama. Nasa mga kayo naroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.